students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, solve the given pair of linear equation 3x plus y is equals to 12 and x plus y is equals to 6. So we are supposed to solve this and we'll use elimination method because we are seeing same terms. Whenever we are seeing same terms, equal terms, that means we will use elimination to eliminate that term. So in elimination, what we'll do? We'll do subtraction, negative sign and a negative sign. So 3x minus x will become 2x, y minus y will become 0 is equals to 12 minus 6 will become 6. So x is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 and we'll put 3 in any of this equation, we'll get a value of y. So this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So we'll put x is equals to 3 in equation 2. So if we are putting x equals to 3 in equation 2, means 3 plus y is equals to 6, means y is equals to 3 again. So our value of x is 3 and our value of y is 3. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.